then the next one is all about nowadays, the major one people are talking about is the chip or the semiconductors.
Right.
Semiconductors is becoming an important part in the products we develop. So the technical trends that have recently driving this increased global emphasis on semiconductor and silicon proliferation, Professor.
Yeah, I mean, semiconductors have actually kind of been flooding pretty much a lot of things that we do.
Right.
Primarily because a lot of these systems are actually becoming smart, which means that decisions are being taken on board. And that means that we need to have processors that are built into pretty much every system or every subsystem and so on. Everywhere you actually will see that semiconductors play a role in something like an aircraft. Cars, for example, are actually now being seen as computer on wheels. The earliest of autonomous vehicles is actually rockets, and rockets have always had, right from day one, they have been actually having an onboard computer that informs how the vehicle has to be controlled with gimbaling of the rocket motors and all of that stuff. So everything is actually a decision making point, and that requires a processor on board, and that requires semiconductors to be there and so on. So now that is actually becoming a lot more commonplace with a lot more smart systems around.
Yeah. Same thing, in the last 4 or 5 years, being a mechanical engineer, I had to learn about a lot of these chips, and
indeed,
and in terms of learning better with our simulation solutions.
Yeah.